sprinkle a bit of sugar here, but the main thing here is not for it to be sweet, okay? But you can sprinkle some sugar, icing sugar, granulated sugar, and I'm going to open one and two for you. Look at this slow motion for you. It is just wonderful, guys, and I'm not joking. It is very nice with your Hausa cocoa or anything you like. Look at this. So guys, this was my recipe for Hausa Pinkaso. Enjoy it with cocoa, Hausa cocoa, anything you like. Okay, it is very easily done. It is tasty, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and with that touch of spice and onion, it's just wonderful. You really need to try this out, guys. Okay, and if you have any other suggestion on how to make it perfectly, I'm always open. So thank you, leave me some comments, and bye. I love you all.